Sir, please step aside for a moment. Just a routine check.
The moisture levels are stabilizing right on target.
Good. Let's maintain this speed for the watermark application. Check the viscosity on the green ink. It looks a little thin.
Confirmed. Making the adjustment. Check the watermark alignment here on the left stack.
It seems within tolerance, but I will adjust the tension.
The sensor reading confirms the alignment.
Excellent. Let's proceed.
Scan complete on row 7.
Acknowledged. Update the manifest.
Check the figures for lot 7. It matches the manifest here.
Verified with the scanner, all correct.
Dhyan se, keep it straight.
Yes, shifting it now.
2 more boxes, secure the straps.
We have 50 lakhs for machine 3.
Confirmed. Loading the first tray now.
Here is the scarf, madam. Thank you for your purchase.
It is beautiful.
I will wear it tonight.
That's 300 rupees.
Thank you. Come again.
Here is 2000 rupees.
Thank you. Here is your 300 change.
Make sure the manifests match the deli crates.
Already checked, sir. Ready for sealing.
The sensor on the third stack is showing a variance.
I'm adjusting the alignment now. It should stabilize.
Here's your withdrawal, sir. How much for this spice? 50 rupees.